They fall. That's why they call it fall, don't you think?
Yes, but they also call it autumn.
Good point. Hey, on tonight's Adam Harris here, your head of communication storytelling. I'm with Ethan. Say hi.
Hi.
Nice. All right, 1 for 1. Ethan, you were just talking about fall. Can you tell me what you know about fall?
Leaves change colors, red, orange, and yellow.
Okay, that's awesome. They change colors. Why do they do that again? You said that something. Why do they do that?
I think the sun hits the leaves and then it becomes red, orange, and yellow.
Mm-hmm. And why do the leaves fall? Like what? Remember you were talking about energy.
They just save energy.
Save energy. Okay, that's awesome.
And I think they save energy for winter.
Yes, they're saving energy for winter. So, okay, so I just learned this. They're green and then the energy, the leaves lose their energy. Where does the energy go?
I think into the tree.
Yes, I think so too. And then they fall. Do you like the season of, they fall. That's why they call it fall, don't you think?
Yes, but they also call it autumn.
Good point. Yes, you're right. They call it autumn. Okay, do you like the season of fall?
Yes.
Why?
Well, I just love the leaf piles.
I love the leaf piles too. We have that in common. Do you jump into them?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything you want to say?
Well, I try to make them, but I can't.
Why? It's hard?
Well, I always go inside.
You go inside before it's done?
Yes.
What do the animals do in fall?
Well, some take shelter for the winter. I think actually all the animals do.
All the animals take shelter for the winter?
Yes. I don't know.
Well, you've taught me a lot about fall. Is there anything else you want to say about fall?
Well, in fall, it starts to get warm in fall, but then it gets colder and colder, so
Totally.
it's kind of cold, and the days are shorter than summer.
Yes. You know so many facts about fall. You learn them all here at school?
Yes.
Do you like school?
Yes.
How come?
I really like it.
That's awesome. Why?
Well, I like recess. I like my friends, and I play with friends at recess.
Friends at recess that's an awesome reason. What about your teachers? Do you like them?
Yes.
Of course. Okay, one more question for you. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is...
This is a tough question.
Well, my favorite season is summer.
Me too. But second is fall, is my favorite. Is that your second favorite?
My second favorite Halloween.
Which is fall. Now let's just say goodbye, okay? Say goodbye.
Bye.
Come on, give me a good bye. Wave really good. Do it. Wave. Bye.
No.
Okay, see ya. Want to do a peace sign? Thumbs down.
No.
See ya.
Just bye.
Just bye.